Dinar Exchange Chronicles. Latest updates on the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong. Welcome back to Dinar Exchange Chronicles, where we dive into the latest updates and insights surrounding the Iraqi dinar, IQD, and Vietnamese dong, VND. Today, we'll explore intriguing developments from the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, shifts in Iraq's economy, and what this could mean for the future of these currencies. Intel Guru Franc 26. Lower denomination notes. Intel Guru Franc 26 has shared news suggesting that the Central Bank of Iraq is preparing to introduce lower denomination notes. As part of this initiative, they've presented examples of lower denomination notes from the 1940s. This demonstration serves as a reminder of the currency's past value, before decades of inflation and corruption led to the issuance of larger denomination notes with diminished purchasing power. This move signals the CBI's intent to restore stability, bridge the financial gap, and rebuild confidence in the Iraqi dinar. Intel Guru Mark Z. Currency management reforms. Intel Guru Mark Z highlighted an announcement from the CBI regarding updates to banknote standards. A circular dated January 15, 2024, outlines the unification and modernization of controls for handling, sorting, and replacing banknotes. Implementation is set to begin January 2, 2025, and conclude by January 15, 2025. This suggests the CBI is preparing for significant reforms in currency management, hinting at broader financial adjustments. Iraq's economic overview: oil dependency and revenue growth. Iraq's economy remains heavily reliant on oil, which accounts for 88% of the national budget. In the first 10 months of 2024, financial revenues exceeded 124 trillion Iraqi dinars, approximately $94.5 billion, with 110 trillion Iraqi dinars coming from oil exports. However, fluctuations in global oil prices create economic vulnerability. For example, Iraq's 2024 budget is based on an oil price of $70 per barrel, lower than earlier projections, reflecting market uncertainty. Diversification efforts. Non-oil revenues have shown gradual growth, reaching 14 trillion Iraqi dinars, approximately $10.67 billion in 2024, making up 12% of the budget. By 2025, non-oil revenues are projected to rise to $22 billion, marking a crucial step toward economic diversification. Foreign currency auctions and exchange rates. The CBI recently conducted over $1 billion in currency auctions within 4 days. Speculation surrounds whether these auctions will continue into 2025. If discontinued, Iraqis may face challenges accessing US dollars, potentially driving up black market rates. Currently, the exchange rate is 1,310 Iraqi dinars per US dollar for electronic transactions, 1,350 Iraqi dinars per US dollar for cash sales. Ending these auctions could impact businesses and individuals reliant on dollars, but it aligns with Iraq's goal to strengthen the dinar. Budget negotiations and political dynamics. Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani has set a January 7, 2025 deadline for Parliament to finalize the budget. Failure to meet this deadline could lead to an operational budget implemented without parliamentary approval, adding tension to the economic landscape. Revaluation and currency reforms. Discussions around a potential revaluation, RV, of the dinar are gaining traction. As Iraq reduces its reliance on oil and implements reforms, a revaluation may become more likely. However, such changes require time and careful navigation of political and economic challenges. Coins and metals, a future possibility? While Iraq currently does not use coins, recent discussions hint at their possible return. For coins to be practical, the dinar's value would need to rise significantly. This speculation adds weight to rumors of a potential exchange rate adjustment. Investor insights. Investors continue to speculate on the dinar's value. For example, a $100,000 investment in dinars could yield substantial returns if the currency's value approaches that of the Kuwaiti dinar. However, despite years of speculation, no significant revaluation has occurred. Recent developments. December 30, 2024. The CBI's auction on December 30th amounted to $279.7 million. Reports suggest these auctions may end by January 2nd, but official confirmation is pending. The transition away from the US dollar could lead to short-term instability, but pave the way for long-term stability and growth. Looking ahead, 2025 and beyond. As Iraq works to diversify revenue, stabilize the dinar, and finalize its budget, the economy stands at a critical juncture. Key factors to watch include 1. The cessation of currency auctions. 2nd, implementation of budget reforms. 3rd, strengthening the dinar and moving away from dollar dependency. Final thoughts. With discussions around exchange rate mechanisms and potential changes underway, the situation is dynamic and worth monitoring closely. Iraq's efforts to stabilize and diversify its economy could usher in significant transformations in the near future. Stay tuned to Dinar Exchange Chronicles for the latest updates.